As you can see right over here, I select the unlimited plan in Hostinger, and at the checkout, I add my special coupon code, hit enter, and instantly save money on my order. You can save the same way. All you need to do is click the link in my video description. It will redirect you right over here, where you'll find the latest working coupon code for Hostinger. Just click on the copy button. Your code automatically gets copied, and you'll be redirected straight to the Hostinger website. Over here, click on View Plans. Keep in mind, this coupon code works on every plan, whether you go for premium, business, or cloud. And there's something else I want to mention. Even if the plans or currencies look different in your country, my coupon code will still work and give you a great discount. For a quick demo, let me show you with the premium plan this time. I'll select premium, click on I have a coupon code, enter my code, and hit enter. As you can see, I save $40. And it doesn't just work on the 48-month plan, it also works for the 24-month plan, the 12-month plan, and every single option available. So again, just click the link in my video description to get started. Now let's talk about which plan you should actually choose. If you're a beginner who is just starting out, learning how to build websites, or only need hosting for 1 or 2 sites, I think you should go for the premium plan. It has everything you need for regular, everyday use. But if you're serious about website creation or blogging, you should go with the business plan. It gives you unlimited websites, 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, daily backups, CDN, and built-in AI tools. Honestly, this option is perfect for most people. Whether you go with premium or business, make sure to do your own research before buying. If you click on View All Features, you can compare everything side by side to see what fits your exact needs. But if you're completely new, stick with the premium plan to keep it simple. Using the link in my video description ensures you get the absolute best discount available right now. So go check it out.